welcome to Karlova Design channel. Today we're gonna make this beret. Beret? Beret. I don't know how to pronounce that. It's beret.
Similar berets are used everywhere in the army, special forces, and other military uniforms. Even Comandante Che had a similar one, although I am absolutely not a fan of socialism.
Luchemos contra el imperialismo. Patria o muerte, que te parió.
It's a very easy project. It's much easier than this cap. All you're gonna need is some 1mm leather and a lace, probably this long. Link to the pattern is in the description, and let's get started.
First of all, you should measure your head and check in the sizing table which size is yours. The pattern comes in wide format, SVG, and of course A4 and US letter. The holes are marked for 5mm stitching irons. Print the pattern at 100% scale and cut to pieces. I've used two kinds of 1mm goat skin. You can go with whatever thin and supple leather you have. You can also experiment a little, but not much. The leather should be definitely soft. Punch the vent holes. They are used to let the air out. You can install some tiny grommets there if you want more authentic look. Also, when assembling the side, you need to make sure that the holes are next to each other. The stitching iron with 4 teeth is the most convenient one when we have some curves. And don't forget to mark this hole because we're gonna need it to align the top. And of course, I decided to polish this whole thing with Toconol because I like it glossy, and you can totally use suede and it will also look great. Let's stitch the side together, and we're going to make 3 short seams here. When stitching such soft leather, be careful to not over tighten it, but do not make it too loose either, because then it's not gonna look good in this case. If you tighten it a little bit so it goes wavy, we're gonna fix it with a hammer later. And if you have a sewing machine, that's probably gonna look better if you do it on the machine. Actually, this whole project is machine friendly, and it can be even assembled on a simple domestic machine with no need to use an industrial one. And again, don't forget to make sure that you are assembling the side correctly. The holes should be next to each other. Let's stitch the crown together. Align this marked hole with the back seam on the side and just stitch through that gap between the pieces, using it as a hole. Then distribute the seam allowances on the sides so they are neat and nice. Same applies to all the vertical seams on the sides. So the gap between each piece is a separate hole. Now let's stitch the rim, and I would like to mention that if you are in doubt which size is yours, I would go for the larger one if you're in between the sizes, because then you have the lace to make it a little tighter. And also we need to take into account that when you are stitching this rim on, you will tighten it up a little bit naturally. However, the more you wear this thing, the more it's gonna stretch. So either way probably will work. Anyway, if you made yourself a wrong size, just sell it and make yourself another one. Pay attention that we are starting stitching the rim on with a hole that is right next to the back seam. I am gonna insert the lace while stitching. You can insert it later. I am just too lazy to do it later, so I am stitching with the lace in. If you decide to do it the same way, just make sure you don't stitch through the lace. And finally, find something to decorate your beret. For this one, I'm using a little washer. You need to make a hole in the center, which is also marked on the pattern. It could be higher or lower, whatever you prefer, and also depends on the size of the decoration you're going to be using. So here is what I scored on the flea market. This is in Air Canada. And so the beret is finished. I think in real time it took me less than a couple of hours with coffee breaks and all that stuff. And I forgot to mention that it comes in 11 sizes, so I think most everyone will find theirs.
If you like this project, you can purchase the pattern using the link in the description. Also like, share, comment and subscribe. And I'm gonna see you in the next one.